Tiny pearls of luxury, steeped in history, tradition, and unmatched indulgence. Black caviar, a delicacy reserved for kings and queens, but what makes it so extraordinary? Today, we'll take you on an exclusive journey into the fascinating world of black caviar production, from pristine fish farms to the tables of the elite. The story of caviar begins thousands of years ago, with the ancient Persians who first discovered the exquisite taste of sturgeon eggs. The name itself, caviar, is derived from the Persian word for carrier. In the Roman Empire, it graced the banquets of the elite, symbolizing power and wealth. Fast forward to the 19th century, Russia emerged as the heart of caviar production. The Caspian Sea, home to the majestic beluga sturgeon, became the cradle of the finest caviar in the world. But this treasure's journey didn't end there. By the early 20th century, Europe and America embraced it, elevating caviar to the ultimate gourmet experience. The journey of caviar begins in pristine environments, where sturgeon are raised with meticulous care. These magnificent fish take 7 to 15 years to mature, and every detail matters, from water quality to a nutrient-rich diet. Stress-free sturgeon produce the finest eggs, so their health is a top priority. When the time is right, advanced techniques like ultrasound determine when the sturgeon are ready. Traditionally, harvesting meant sacrificing the fish, but modern innovation has introduced gentle, no-kill methods. Imagine skilled hands carefully massaging the eggs or performing small incisions that heal over time. It's precision, science, and care rolled into one. The harvested eggs are delicately separated from their membranes, washed, and inspected to ensure each pearl remains intact. This isn't just food, it's art. A touch of fine salt transforms these eggs into caviar, enhancing flavor while preserving their natural texture. The result? Malasol caviar, a variety so luxurious, it contains less than 5% salt. Every tin of caviar undergoes rigorous quality checks. From size and color to the delicate burst of flavor, every pearl must meet exacting standards. Advanced tools measure salt levels, and only the finest batches make it to your table. The rest? Removed without hesitation. This guarantees perfection every time. Beyond indulgence, caviar is a powerhouse of nutrients. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, it supports heart and brain health. Just one spoonful delivers more than double your daily dose of vitamin B12, along with essential minerals like iron and zinc. It's not just a treat for your palate, it's nourishment for your body and mind. The caviar industry is evolving to meet the demands of a conscious world. Sustainable aquaculture is rewriting the rules, with innovative methods like recirculating aquaculture systems, RAS, that recycle water and reduce environmental impact. No-kill harvesting techniques, like fish milking, ensure that sturgeon thrive while continuing to produce eggs. Even the packaging is transforming. Biodegradable materials and QR codes that trace the origin of every tin are setting new standards for transparency and responsibility. From its ancient roots to modern-day innovation, black caviar remains the epitome of luxury and craftsmanship. With every pearl, you taste history, care, and sustainability. So, the next time you savor this delicacy, remember, it's more than just food, it's a legacy.